Oh my gosh. So hard to walk. This is me running. Holy. The huge snowstorm hit. And this is what we got. Oh my gosh. It's freezing out here. Like, watch. If I were to step on the snow over here, my foot just falls right in. It's because this is one huge ice sheet. Humongous ice sheet here in Kentucky. If you guys need proof that there's ice, just gotta... Here's your proof. Running is so funny. Verb. Don't mess with this bush. Ice is so deep, watch. My entire foot could fit in there. So I got some icicles. Watch. There's ice over all this. This is a 3-minute long short. Oh! I got a massive blade of ice. Wait, what? The immortal spot. Never mind. If I want to break through the ice without feeling like I'm gonna fall every time, I have to stop through the ice. Oh my gosh. Wait. It's ice.